everybody, it's Ashley, your social media person from Availity. I'm here with social media ambassador Colin talking about HIMSS 17. Hey Colin, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. First day going good so far?
Yeah, no, it's been really good. HIMSS day one is always crazy. The long lines, the coffee lines and everything. Everyone's getting used to things, but it's been good. Back-to-back meetings, but it's all been good.
Good. Glad to hear it. So what are you most excited about or curious about for healthcare in 2017?
Wow, what am I most excited about? Well, actually, I gotta say, I echo what the keynote speaker this morning, Gina, was saying from IBM. I'm really most excited about artificial intelligence and machine learning and kind of taking all that data we've been collecting all this time and kind of applying it to something useful. So I'm most excited about that, and it's kind of echoed by all the things you're seeing on the show floor there. A lot of people talking about AI, machine learning, cognitive computing, and so forth. I think we're a little bit of ways away, but maybe within the year we'll start to see some pretty good applications. So that has me most excited about
For sure, yeah. And so besides AI, what are some of the more breakout topics so far that you've seen?
I will say the other thing, of course, that's on everyone's mind is the whole thing around what's happening with ACA and MIPS, and there's all this uncertainty. So that still sort of dominates the discussion. So I'm still hearing things like that. Personally, I always love going around the edges of the exhibit hall to kind of see what sort of the little tiny companies are doing, the innovative guys are doing. So there's a lot of stuff with the maker area.
Yes.
A lot of things going on with 3D printing and also bioprinting. So it's kind of cool. So those things have me excited. It's just sort of on these fringe and edges of the technology. So I always come here kind of looking forward to walking that part of the show.
I love it. I'll have to take a look.
Yeah.
And then lastly, besides yourself, of course, what's another HIMSS social media ambassador that you would encourage our followers to also follow?
Wow, that's a tough question. There's so many great folks on that list. I mean, you got Mandy, you got Dr. Nick, you got Rasu, John Lynn. Just any one of them is amazing. I mean, those are the folks that I sort of grew up watching and learning from and everything. And to be on as a social media ambassador with those guys has just been a great honor. But for me, I think in this context, I would say the person to really keep an eye on would be Rasu. He's doing so much work with UPMC Innovations. He's really teaming up, and he's kind of really showing the world, in my mind, how an institution can really team with technology providers and really make a difference. You hear about these partnerships. A lot of times they fail. A lot of times they don't go anywhere.
Right.
And he's somehow found the nut or cracked that nut to be able to really make these partnerships work. So I really enjoy watching his tweets and his social media posts and his blogs all around just how he's bringing that whole universe together and how he's driving innovation forward.
Sure, that sounds good. Well, that's it for us today. It was great to meet you. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.